back to Herky the Cavalier's channel. I'm here today with birthday girl Milton and big sister Herky, and this is the start of our new series called Herky Eats. And today we're gonna bake a birthday cake from Milton that's puppy approved, it's gluten-free, and it's very healthy, and it's really good ingredients so even you can eat it. So I'm very excited to get this started, and as you see, the girls are already very excited about all the ingredients around. So this recipe is puppy friendly, it's dog friendly. It's gonna make you about 2 little cakes like this. These are 2 springform pans that I've greased and lined with some coconut oil and then some parchment paper. And let me just walk you through the ingredients. Here for the dry ingredients, we have a mix of brown rice flour and oat flour. There's a touch of cinnamon, baking powder, and baking soda. And then we have a bit of maple syrup, some natural peanut butter, some unsweetened pure pumpkin puree. Very important to get the pure pumpkin puree and not the pumpkin pie filling because that already has tons of sugar and spices in it. We also have some unsweetened applesauce, some shredded carrots, 1 egg, some unsweetened almond milk, and for the frosting, which is going to be awesome, this is dairy-free yogurt. I'm using specifically the coconut yogurt, but you can use any dairy-free yogurt that you have. And we also need a bit of peanut butter to complete the frosting. So I've already preheated the oven to 350, so we can go ahead and start mixing all these ingredients. So for the dry ingredients, we're just gonna mix them well together. Then we're gonna work on the wet ingredients, and then we're gonna combine everything. Herky, be careful, please. So again, these are the dry ingredients. Now for the wet ingredients, I'm just gonna combine the egg, the almond milk, applesauce, pumpkin puree, and the peanut butter, and maple syrup. So I'm just gonna start this with a fork. And the natural peanut butter is always a bit hard to mix. So I don't know if I mentioned, but this is a peanut butter pumpkin carrot cake, which is good enough for humans to eat. So this is just about smooth. I'm gonna combine, actually I'm gonna put the carrots in first. Yes, Herky. It's all gonna be for you guys after, don't worry. This is done. And just combining the wet to the dry. This smells so good. So just mix until everything is combined. Oven's ready. Then we can transfer into the cake molds and then pop in the oven. It's good enough to eat, huh, Herky? Not yet, Herky. This is an exercise of patience, baby. So the cakes are in their molds and they're gonna go in the oven at 350 for about an hour or until a toothpick comes out clean. Yes, girl, it's for you. You get to lick the spoon. Yes. Hello, Milton. So for the frosting, as mentioned, I have some coconut yogurt here, and we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and a few tablespoons of peanut butter, depending on the consistency you want. I'm switching over to the whisk just because I want all the lumps of cornstarch to go away. Look at this velvety, smooth froth. Oh my god.
I can talk in this like.
Oh.
I can talk like how to cake it.
There's really not a lot of sweetener in this cake, so you know it's a very puppy approved. Oh, puppy frosting. Pupper frosting. Isn't that good? Just eat half of it so Herky can have a bit, okay? Sharing is caring. Sharing is caring. Oh, yum. Puppy frosting. Herky loves peanut butter. Look at that face. You're so cute. You're so cute.
Herky, whose birthday is it? Milton or yours?
It's my birthday.
It looks like Herky's having more fun than Milton.
It's my birthday. It's always Herky's birthday. So the cakes came out of the oven. They actually took just about 40 minutes to get to this point, but depending on the size of the mold that you use, it might take more, it might take less time depending on the thickness. But as you can see, it rise quite nicely. Milton, be careful, baby. And now I let it cool completely, popped it out of the spring 4 pan. It came right out. Now I'm gonna ice it.
Milton, is that your birthday cake? Huh? Is that yours? Milton, is it your birthday? Milton,
Is it your birthday?
are you paying attention to the cake? You're not paying attention to anything else? Milton. Oh, she's not listening.
So for the finishing touch, I'm just gonna put 2 little bones on here. How about like this?
Happy birthday, Milton! Happy birthday, Milton! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday, Milton!
Yay!
Girls, we're gonna eat this like classy ladies, okay?
Okay, so now for us to try it, because we believe that whatever you feed your pups that you cook at home, then you should be able to eat it too.
So we're gonna test out Milton's birthday cake. This is the clean version.
Yeah, this is not the one. This is the one that they ate. We're not eating that one. We have our own little cake.
But here's the proof that it's good food. We're gonna eat it too. Let's try this.
It's legit cake.
It's like peanut butter cake.
Tastes like peanut butter cake, and it's not sweet. So it's good for them. Only good organic ingredients we used.
It tastes like a diet pumpkin cake. I mean, not pumpkin cake, carrot cake.
Yeah. Milton's obsessed. You want to come up here, pretty girl? There's the birthday girl.
Let's eat all in the family with that cake and our cake. Hey, come here. This is mine, Herky.
Same cake, but humans can eat it too. That's perfect.
Families that eat together stay together.
Yes, here, Milton. Here's your birthday cake, Milton. Good girl.
Herky just try to eat a fork.
You're savage, Herky.
Savage.
This is so good for you, little maybe Milton.
This is really good.
Legit. Alright, so we hope you like this first episode of Herky Eats. We're going to do a lot more videos coming soon. So, happy birthday again to Milton. And we hope you try this cake recipe out. We love you. Bye.
Last piece, Herky. You eat the rest tomorrow.